gum's running out of flavor. Got a fever for the flavor of pink gum. The package is pink, but the gum's not. This is another fancy, wonderful tool review. It's not really a tool, it's just me putting up stuff. Pick up this at Runnings. It's a giant toothbrush. No. It's a window scraper. Anybody on here live in a climate that doesn't need these? Like literally, it's got to be like, does Florida use window scrapers? I'm pretty sure you need to live in an icy climate. This one's special though. You know why? It was 50 cents. I paid 50 cents for a made in China window scraper. I'm pretty sure it's going to get minus 10. I'm going to go clean my car, and this thing's going to snap. So these things don't last very long. But if I get a little bit of out of it, I'll be good. It's so cheap to look at this. There's like a micro. I mean, it is what it is. It also begs the question: a big piece of plastic like this, how is it that you can make this for 50 and sell it for 50 cents? Not only sell it for 50 cents, but actually make any money off it, when I can go to the dollar store and buy one of these for what, $1.25? Like, I mean, hello, how do you make money off this? Like, what does this cost in slave labor? I don't know. I don't know what the human toll is, but it's probably not good. The other thing I picked up was that. Oh, picked up some Hobart. What are these? These are bare bronze rods, and I don't know how to get them out of here. What am I doing at bare bronze rods? Well, I have a acetylene torch, which I really should use. And from what I hear, brazing is good with bronze, so picked up some bronze rods. Believe it or not, they're like $10 for these. And Scamazon, I ordered some on there. They were $10. There's what? How many in here? 8. You go on Scamazon. I don't know if they're any good. They're not a Hobart brand, but there's like 40 for $10 or some shit. So pick up these ones. And I also picked up Hobart bare brazing rods, which is this one. I don't know if these are the same. Bare brazing rods. I don't know if these are. It's another 3/30 seconds press. It doesn't even say. Package in the USA. Let's see where it doesn't even say where it's made. But I'm assuming it's the same thing. 3/30 second. You know what? What do we have in here? 8. I don't know. It's just different packaging or newer packaging. You know what? 2, 4, 6, 8 of them, and it doesn't even tell you. Bare braise rod. Brigitte Bergou. It's in French too. Let's check here. Bare bronze. This one says bare braise. So, what is this one? Oh. This product is not classified as hazardous according to the APCOGH's hazard classification. So anyway, I don't know. Pick up this. And I also, for the exact same price at Runnings, I picked up some Hobart flux juice. Brazing flux. If you could see that. Hobart brazing flux. It's under $10. I was going to buy it on Amazon. And then while I was there, somebody had mentioned that if you dip things in here, this canister melts. So they also had this kind. KT Industries brazing flux. Apparently it says on here that metal can does not melt when dipping hot filler metals. So I'm guessing when you dip a 1200 degree thing in here, it's going to melt. So I don't know what it looks like. I've never done it before. Honestly, I'm going to watch a bunch of videos because that's what we do these days. We sit there, watch a video, and we become experts. Not me, I just screw shit up and it breaks. So, looks like white candy. Looks like BLO. BLO, blow, boiled linseed oil. Not the other kind of BLO you're thinking of. So anyway, this is, what does this say? It says, fast-acting cleansing eliminates oxidation to produce strong welds. Excellent for brazing all malleable and cast iron and steels. Excellent for welding all brass, bronze, and copper metals. Directions: heat filler metal to a near melting temperature. Insert rod into flux quickly to coat rod evenly with flux. Perform brazing or welding as necessary, adjusting the amount of flux used until satisfactory results are achieved. I mean, if I can understand like dipping in the middle, it won't melt, but when you get down to this much, what do you dip it in? Warning: this product contains boric acid. It should not be ingested by humans. If consumed, drink large quantities of water and call your poison control center for medical. I wouldn't go to the hospital these days if you paid me. They'll probably be like, oh, you got burned welding? Oh, you need the jab. Yeah, shut the hell up. So, anyway, it says directions. We already read the directions. Warning: cancer or reproductive harm. It's probably only in California because that's the only place people get reproductive harm, right? So anyway, this and this. Hobart stuff. Am I doing a review on it? Not really, not yet. But I will be because I'm actually going to practice, believe it or not, on that gas tank down there. My plan is to clean out the inside of the gas tank, put a little piece of metal up on the inside with a magnet, see if I can braze over it to seal the side. Do I want the gas tank to be perfect? No. Is it like gonna work out? Probably not. It's just I have an old gas tank that needs brazing. It's pretty much useless, so why not use it as the teaching aid before I destroy the other one? So if I learn off that one, which is completely dead, finished, at least I can learn. And it's very thin metal, so I'm assuming I'm either going to burn a hole through it and screw it up and just throw it up, or I might succeed at doing something. My goal is to succeed. So with that, no further ado, I wasted 7 minutes of your time talking about brazing. But I mean, from what I hear, brazing is the way to go when it comes to cast iron and other stuff. I have a few cast iron parts that I could braze together just for the fun of it. It's definitely, if you like tinkering with metal and heat, something everybody I think should learn. It's a good skill. You know, anybody out there younger wants to learn how to weld, learn how to braze stuff, because it's pretty cool. I wish my my dad said go to welding school, because I like doing stuff with my hands. Would I have been any good at it? I have no idea. I doubt it, but I like doing stuff. That's why I like doing this channel. I don't like lately. Honestly, I haven't done a lot of videos making stuff, but I like cracking stuff open and playing with screwdrivers. It's a lot of fun. Keeps the mind happy instead of just sitting there going, like, come on now. Thanks for watching. Click some buttons down here. Don't forget to click the notification button for new videos. And if you are one of my subscribers watching this, thanks for watching. If you one person that subscribed, thanks for subscribing. And all the help I can get. Don't forget to watch more videos too. I need more watch time.